back. All right, I'm using Nic Pro resin. It was 90.5 just now when I took the thermometer out. And I got out 22 grams for my white. Might as well fill this little guy up too. All right. If you got any bubbles, go ahead and try to get them out. You see one? Just try to drag it out so you can torch it off. Torch that. Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna use Eder Art. 1, 2. Get that mixed up. Okay. I think I'm gonna use a little bit of the raspberry. Let's see what that looks like in here. The magenta. Or the rose. Let's use the rose. Pretty close, aren't they? I'm just gonna go with these. If you're nice and mixed up, scrape your stick. Make sure there's nothing on it. I'd rather over-stir my white a little bit than under-stir it and have white streaks. Okay, let's get in the piping bag. I did make a bloom with the High Tide pea paste the other day, and there were a few blooms, and I really liked them. So I might do that soon. Just blow that off. Torch it. We're gonna twist this and tie it up. You know what? I think I'm gonna do circles. I haven't done them in a little while, and whoops. I know, these are terrible scissors. I can't find my little tiny ones. I have no clue where they went. Okay, it wasn't big enough. Terrible scissors. Now it might be too big. Oh well. All right, let's make some circles. Oopsie. Oh my gosh, I stuck that right in there. I really like making the circles. It's probably one of my favorite things to do, especially when I'm doing it. It's just fun. I know I do a lot of these blooms, but they're all have been different colors, and I just think they're so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I am so shaky. Look at me. Oh, stem today. I do want to do another circle bloom with that high tide piggy paste, kind of so I can compare which petals look better. It seems like it's a little brighter white, the high tide piggy paste, but you have to mix it. It barely takes any to make the white pigment for that. Oh no, it's a blob. Get a toothpick. Okay. Now where I had that giant blob at. I'm not gonna try to miss a circle this time. I missed one when I did Ray and Sandy's bloom. I missed a dot. Okay, did I get them all? I'm sorry you couldn't see this very well because my hand was in the way, but it is just this squiggle. You know, whether you pour it out in a cup or just do a squiggly like this is so easy. It's one of the easiest things to do, and I think one of the prettiest designs. I just absolutely love this design. All I do here is kind of work that middle around so it's not just a blob sitting there. And any other thing that looked like it could blob out, I pull it out or stretch the line out. I had some more resin, so I went ahead and used it. I wasn't gonna use it for another project, but I just put it in here. Did another squiggle, you know, curve your middle around and pull out any blob you got, you know, stretch it down through your line and if you feel like there's a space where it's like empty, you know, add in another little tiny line like I'm doing right now. A giant blob. Whoa, wow, look at that one, oh my God. All right, we'll give these a torch. All right, guys, see you later. Okay, I don't know what I want to do on the back. You know, I used the rose color. Let's see, where did I put it? I'm gonna put some of the rose in here. I did not put it in the, oh my gosh. I didn't put it in the vacuum chamber. I just squirted a whole bunch in there. Okay. Well, I got some purplish red mica powder from Let's Resin. So I'm gonna put some of this in here. Getting it everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up. I think it's pretty color. Let's pour it on here and see what we think. Okay, guys, I will see you for demold. Bye. Okay, everyone, let's check these out. Oh, it's beautiful. That's so beautiful. games. The red and white stripe, I love them. I hope this one turns out. I know some of the circles I did not make sure they weren't blobs, you know what I mean? So, I love that. It's beautiful. I like the back too. I think it matches it pretty well. I was worried about that, but I love it. Oh, I like it that way. I think it's gorgeous. Sweet. I hope you guys like my video. I'm very happy with these blooms. I think they turned out so beautiful. Oops, I got some on it. Nice. Sweet, guys. All right, well, I will get some pictures of these and get that posted, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.